Hey Fortnite survivors, let's learn how to eat fish in LEGO Fortnite's Survival World. First, make sure you catch a fish using a fishing rod or find one near water. Let's try to catch this fish right here. Just waiting for a bite so we could reel this fish in. The fish doesn't seem to be biting, so let's just make use of the fish that we have in our inventory. You can't eat fish directly, but what you can do is put them into the food processor. If you haven't built a food processor, you can do that by going to your build menu and looking at the utility tab. You'll need 8 planks, 7 bones, and 3 rods to create the food processor. Once you have it, you can select the raw fish for processing into fish fillet. You can eat the fish fillet raw, but to get more out of it, you can put it on the grill to create simple sushi or cooked fish fillet. Cooked fish restores more health and keeps you going longer. Always cook when you can. And that's it. Catch, cook, and chow down to survive in LEGO Fortnite. Hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more LEGO Fortnite survival tips.